Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to add and how to remove the Google account on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the Google. And once you find the Google option, tap on it. Here tap on accounts. And if you don't have any account added, you will see this page and you can tap on this icon. Basically, your watch needs to be paired with a phone for this to work. But once it is paired with a phone, you can tap on this icon right here. Let's bring the phone that is paired with our watch. Zoom out the camera. Okay, a bit more. Like this. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, if you tap on this icon, we need to go back. So settings, Google, accounts, and if you tap on this icon, it will bring you, and basically it will open the Galaxy wearable application on your phone, and here we can basically sign in to Google account on our watch. And what it does is basically copies the Google account from your phone to your watch. And if you don't have any Google account, you will need to log in. I already have one, as you can see. I'm logged in into this account, so I can basically tap on next. If you have one then more, you will have the option to choose different accounts if you like to. So tap on, select the account and tap on next. And we'll start signing. And after a couple of seconds, it should be done. And if you go back to the settings, Google accounts, the account will be here, which means that it was added. And now you can use the Google services on your watch if you like to. So that's how you add the account. To remove it, you need to open this Google accounts menu, find the account you want to remove, tap on it, and then tap on remove account, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the account will be removed. And that's how you add and how you remove the Google account on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.